Double-hung windows are a classic choice for many homes, offering timeless style and reliable functionality. However, even the best windows don't last forever. Over time, wear and tear, environmental factors, and changing energy standards can make window replacement necessary. For homeowners in Orangeburg, recognizing the signs of aging or damaged windows is essential for maintaining a comfortable and efficient home. Here are 5 clear indicators that it might be time to replace your double-hung windows. Drafts and poor insulation. One of the most noticeable signs of aging windows is the presence of drafts. If you feel a cool breeze near your windows in the winter or a wave of heat in the summer, your double-hung windows are likely no longer providing proper insulation. In Orangeburg, where temperatures can vary widely throughout the year, this can lead to higher energy bills. Your heating and cooling systems have to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Decreased comfort. Drafty windows can create cold spots or make certain rooms uncomfortable to use. Modern double-hung windows with energy-efficient features like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames can eliminate drafts and improve your home's overall comfort and efficiency. Difficulty opening and closing. Double-hung windows are designed for smooth operation, with sashes that slide easily up and down. Over time, however, the mechanisms can wear out, or the frames can warp due to moisture and temperature changes. If you find it increasingly difficult to open or close your windows, it's a sign they may need replacing. Stuck or unbalanced windows are not just inconvenient, they can also pose a safety risk, especially in an emergency where you need to exit through a window. New windows with updated mechanisms and high-quality materials ensure smooth, safe, and reliable operation. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your windows closely for signs of physical damage, including cracks or chips in the glass, rotted or warped wood frame, peeling paint or water stains. These issues not only detract from your home's appearance but can also compromise the functionality of your windows. In Orangeburg, where humidity and rainfall are common, wood frames are particularly susceptible to rot and decay if not properly maintained. Replacing damaged double-hung windows restores your home's aesthetics while ensuring the windows function as intended. Foggy or condensed glass. If you notice condensation or fog between the panes of your double-hung windows, it's a clear sign that the windows seal has failed. Seals are crucial for maintaining the insulating properties of double-pane or triple-pane windows. When they fail, the insulating gas escapes, reducing the window's energy efficiency. This issue is particularly common in older windows, as seals degrade over time. In Orangeburg, where hot, humid summers can strain window seals, replacing fogged windows with new energy-efficient models can significantly improve your home's insulation and appearance. Outdated design or features. Older double-hung windows may lack modern features that enhance energy efficiency, security, and convenience. For example, energy-efficient glass. Modern windows offer better insulation and UV protection, reducing energy costs and protecting your furniture and flooring from sun damage. Enhanced security features. New windows often include advanced locking mechanisms for improved safety. Low maintenance materials. Vinyl or fiberglass frames require less upkeep than traditional wood frames, making them a practical choice for busy homeowners. If your windows look dated or lack these features, upgrading to modern double-hung windows can add value and functionality to your Orangeburg home. Why timely replacement matters. Delaying window replacement can lead to higher energy bills, decreased comfort, and potential safety risks. Additionally, damaged or inefficient windows can lower your home's resale value and curb appeal. In Orangeburg's competitive housing market, well-maintained, modern windows are a key selling point. Choosing the right replacement windows. When replacing your double-hung windows, consider factors like energy efficiency, durability, and style. Look for windows with ENERGY STAR ratings, insulated frames, and advanced glazing technology to ensure you get the best performance for your investment. Working with a trusted local window replacement company in Orangeburg can make the process seamless. Professionals can assess your needs, recommend the best options for your home, and provide expert installation to maximize the benefits of your new windows. Conclusion. Your double-hung windows play a crucial role in your home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance. If you've noticed drafts, operational issues, visible damage, fogged glass, or outdated features, it's time to consider replacing them. Investing in modern, energy-efficient windows not only enhances your home's value but also ensures a more comfortable living environment for years to come. Don't wait for small problems to become big headaches. Reach out to a reputable window replacement service in Orangeburg today and start enjoying the benefits of new double-hung windows.